Hey, foodies! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of air fryers with the Cosori Pro 3 Dual Blaze. It's packed with tech, but does it deliver on its promises? Let's find out. The Cosori Pro 3 Dual Blaze is part of the V-Sync County family of brands, known for their innovative designs. It features a unique design with upper and lower heating elements for quick and even cooking. Thanks to Dual Blaze 360 Thermo IQ technology, there's no need to preheat or shake foods mid-cooking. With a generous 6.4-liter capacity, the Cosori Dual Blaze can cook 4 portions of fries or 3 potato waffles. The air fryer offers 12 presets, from chicken and veggies to fries and seafood. I found the presets to be accurate, delivering crispy and fluffy results. The air fryer offers app control and voice assistant syncing through Wi-Fi, but they are not essential for everyday cooking. While the app adds some convenience, the air fryer can be operated without it. However, for voice control, you'll need a 2.4G Wi-Fi network. The Cosori Dual Blaze has a sleek design, taking up less space than a microwave but more than a toaster. Its touch buttons make it easy to navigate, and the non-stick basket is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. During testing, the air fryer impressed with its crispy potato waffles and fries, cooked to perfection. It excelled at cooking hash browns, producing crispy outsides and soft insides. The keep warm function was handy for delaying dinner without losing freshness. While the Cosori Pro 3 Dual Blaze offers good cooking capacity and impressive features, families may want more generous cooking space. However, for most users, this air fryer will deliver near-perfect results with its intuitive interface and tech-packed performance. That's it for today's review on the Cosori Pro 3 Dual Blaze. If you're interested in air fryers or want to level up your cooking game, consider this option. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and happy cooking!